Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Teams and signing in with your work or school account. Do that now. Once signed in, make sure to enable multi-factor authentication if your organization requires it, because it protects your access. Next, update your display name and profile photo so people recognize you. Finally, join the specific team or channel you need from the left sidebar. Click Join or enter a code, so you're ready to send your first message and participate immediately. You now move into daily use. Post in channels for project-wide updates and use it mentions to alert specific people, because that triggers notifications. For private conversations, use chat. You can start a video call or share your screen directly from a chat window. When collaborating on documents, upload files to the Channel Files tab or drag them into a message. Once done, set file permissions and use the built-in version history, so edits remain clear and recoverable. You finish workflows by mastering meetings and settings. Schedule from the calendar, add an agenda and attachments, and invite people or a channel so everyone sees context. Make sure to configure notifications, background effects, and keyboard shortcuts in settings to optimize focus and speed. If audio or video fail, first check device selection in settings, then confirm network connectivity and restart Teams. If that still fails, sign out and sign back in. This sequence resolves most issues quickly. Try it before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.